Alright guys, so today let's see what we can make out of this scrap metal I found. Let's see, we got some old thread rod and some nuts. Got an old railroad spike. Probably won't use this piece of thread rod for this project. Got some old rods. It's got some ends on it. Some more round stock metal right here. And we got a plate. So stay tuned and see what we're going to make today. Alright guys, so this is what I turned that scrap metal into. As you can see, it is an Olympic weightlifter. Give you a little turn around. There's like a stand on it. Got it so that it's like his knees are bent down a little bit from the weight. And he's got the huge weights on there lifting, as you can see. But yeah, that's what we did for this weekend scrap metal project. So I always try to be creative. Like I literally just looked at this stuff and just said, hey, that looked like that could be a dumbbell, and this could be a person, and this little pieces of metal could be joints and knees. And as you can see, I gave them like little knees right there, and kind of made like a foot boot, you know. And as you can see, all the splatter, but we'll clean all that up. But show you how it's got that. But yeah, man, you can always make something out of anything. So always try to be creative and look at something. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check us out on all my other videos. And have a great day, guys.